to begin with, just open up the window search on your either window 10 or 11 and then search for about PC. Once you find it, click on it. Therefore, you can see right here the installed RAM on this PC. It's 16 gigabyte, so this can be upgraded to 32 gigabyte as well. And to do so, where I have to go to is here, advanced system settings, right in the bottom. Next, you gotta click on it. After that, there will be another window, system properties, and click on the first setting option. And from the top menu option, just select advanced, and down here, click on virtual memory section, change. And right here, first uncheck the automatically manage paging file sizes. And as you see, C drive is selected by default. Then select custom size. So here comes the most important part, cause this is where you have to now calculate the min and max size for your virtual memory according to just your RAM. Therefore, in order to get these steps clear to understand, there I have prepared a short note with me for you guys. Alright, as just shown, it implies that initial size RAM into 1.5 and maximum size RAM into 3.0. This all means first the RAM must be converted to megabyte, then multiplied by 1.5 for the initial one. After that, multiplied by 3.0 for the maximum size. For instance, now I use 16 gigabyte of RAM, and so that will get converted to 1.024, which the result will be in megabyte. Next then, I will multiply it by 1.5 for the initial size. To do so, I have a calculator here, and I will now multiply 16 by 1.024. Like you see, I got the result 16.384. Then again, let's multiply that by 1.5. Therefore, the value we need to put in the initial size RAM is 24.576. So now type in the initial size, the value you just got, and then we will even do the same thing in the maximum size, but here we have to multiply it by 3.0. So I gotta multiply first 16 by 1.024 just in order to convert the result to megabyte. Then I gotta do is I need to multiply again to by 3.0. Finally, then here is the value 49.152. So go and type the value you have got there in the maximum size. So overall, you can calculate the initial size and the maximum size for any of the RAM here you want to increase. And as soon as you get all steps done, just click on set, then OK, and one more time click OK. Finally, get all the tabs closed. After that, you need to do is restart your computer in order to see the performance boosted really. Alright, in addition to that, the RAM will also be increased. That's all for today.